This video shows how to buy shares of TotalEnergies EP Gabon, a company active in oil and gas production listed on Euronext with the ticker EC.PA. This is an educational guide, not financial advice. Always do your own research and consider professional guidance before investing. To trade shares, you need a broker account, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and add funds to your account before you can buy. Use the broker search bar and type the ticker EC.PA to locate TotalEnergies EP Gabon. Confirm the exchange and the company name to ensure you have selected the correct listing on Euronext. Open the asset page to view the company overview and the price chart for EC.PA. Check the basic company details and exchange listing to confirm this is the right stock to trade. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade on eToro. If the market is closed, the order may execute at the next session, and if your funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing the purchase. Your new position will appear in the portfolio view so you can monitor it over time. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to open an account or learn more.